Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have a Maniology haul for y'all. So it is a Valentine's Day, so obviously we got some plates. I'm gonna set that aside. So this one is, so I got to pick my plates, by the way. This is M346 and it's a Halloween spooky Valentine's Day set, or stamping plate, I guess. I was obsessed because everyone's doing like all these lovey-dovey, you know, Valentine's Day, and I'm like, no, give me anti-Valentine's Day, even though I'm happily married, you know, still. I just love seeing the kind of the opposite. So this is M180, and again, we have like that anti-Valentine's Day. So we're gonna do a set with these after, but I'm gonna do these stamping polishes first. Now, it is Electric Glow. Look at these, look at these. I'm so excited. So what I'm gonna do is just swatch the top of them. And I literally have just been doing that. And then tapping this on top. You can stamp on top of this, like you literally can take a stamp and do it, but I like a substantial dot so I can see the color from far away, aka in my drawer. Not that it's that far away, but you know what I mean. Jungle Mirage, and it is that nice neon bright yellow. I guess I should do the colors first. This is Rave Brave. Like, look at that. Yes. Next up is Mercury Baseline. And this is like your purpley blue that you're like, is it purple? Is it blue? This is blue, but it has a purple undertone. Look at that. This is your purple. So Monarch's Dream. Look at these colors, and I'll show them all, of course, together. Next up is Traceland. Does anyone else get that satisfaction of literally just swinging that open? No, just me? Oh, look at that seafoam green. Last one is Candy Spirit. All together. Isn't this such a banging like set? I'm obsessed. Like, look at how good that looks. And again, these are the stamping plates. I'll bring them down. Let's fix that pinky nail because I was moving furniture and it didn't go well, okay? We're gonna take Gelish Foundation. You guys know that that is my jam. These are grown out probably about a week, but that's okay. There we go. Go ahead and grab your form, cut your stress areas, flip it over, and pinch, and then you have all that relief there. You can slide it under like so, and you have your little form. That is way too much gel, but it's okay. We'll just file it off. Taking pink one step, because the shape wasn't terrible. I mean, it definitely wasn't good, but I'm just going to fill in the apex. Where I filed it off this morning, 5 seconds ago. So you can see a little apex there. All right.
What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Ooh, can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia? Darling, I'm just so fed up with these expectations. They keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, and if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to see, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a, yeah. Oh, yeah, I've discussed it with myself, and I'm disgusted with the way we're told to have a certain face, a certain weight, because we aren't pixels on a screen. No, we're human, we breathe. Every single thing we see curated, it's overrated. These expectations, they keep weighing me